He ate his pancakes all gone. Jackson, what did you have for breakfast?
Cheese. Little cheese.
Huh?
Little cheese.
Was it yellow cheese or was it pancakes?
Little cheese.
Are you silly? Is that syrup pretty good? How's that?
Get this.
Is that for Daddy's work?
Thank you, buddy.
Mommy, that.
Oh, so those my keys?
Yeah.
Thanks. Can you say, good morning, Granddad?
No.
What'd you say?
No.
Can you look at the camera and tell your granddad, hi?
No.